Alright, Mashaba. You have proven yourself ready for a call out.
I'm
not done. O sale mapimpana. So re tla go sepetša lo mongwe wa rena wa mathwadi bona. O tla go swara ka letsogo.
What are we doing? Jumping a street? Aren't we a little bit too old for that?
Training yana ya go ya 2 minutes. E tla go bolaisha ka motlakase. And the only way I can make sure is by pairing you.
Alright then. What's the job?
Re khumane tip ya gore go na le sekebekwa se se connectela batho electricity illegally. Wena le George le swantse le go tlhola.
Eske ke go le ba re rekisha mothagase mona. Nkompe wa 50 rand.
Hey, when a stupid Sahal. I'm not selling units here. I'm selling the actual electricity. If you want connection, I'm your man.
Hey banna, le no joinile Izinyoka. Ha no thomile go gafa.
Oh, you're so naive, Sakhala yona sa batho.
Why o dia ditšhelete tša go? A se mmereko wa Eskom.
I'm doing it for the people. Eskom e goga mouth. We are on a schedule here. Hey, malum, o nyaka mmo.
Hey, ke tile go reka mothagase ke humana se stupid sa Izinyoka.
A ke gole matlhoaka. Illegal connections, exposed wires, beside being illegal. This is an electrical disaster waiting to happen.
Don't worry. We are protected by the Holy Spirit. Hey, you're gonna have to pay some hefty fines,
and possibly some prison time.
Prison? Benzo, run. Benzo.
Hey, package of ambulance.
No, let's get them out of this dangerous area. Pay like a promistic. Arabesh is just around the corner.
I told this mogo not to mess with electricity when he came here to try and sell me a bucket of transformer oil.
Transformer oil? Are you stealing that for the people too? I was just trying to help.
That's rubbish.
Hey, of course, my basic package is only $4,000 unless you want the golden package. 4,000? Only. How? What do you think this is? I'm not running a charity house here. I have a degree in lawyering engineering. Hey, I'm sure Dr. Pusu. How should get it tongue in? It's Dr. Pusu to you, thank you very much.
Get me out of this mess.
Brother, there is no miracle that will get you out of this. Why not the illegal connections almost cost us our lives?
Nice. Before. They are on their way.
My man, I can help you, but it will cost you an arm and a leg.
I will give you anything.
Okay. Put your arm on the bed.
Aibo.